It's actually 9:48 my time. So my wife is sleeping, so I think this is the perfect time to unbox my new helmet for adventure riding and then my adventure boots. So I had these boots, but when I bought it and then I used it for my Sagada trip, but some of the stitching came out because it's under warranty. They, what do you call it, they actually replace it brand new. I'm so happy with the outcome. So perfect boots, but they're really heavy though. So if you I was comparing this with a Dainese adventure boot. Oh my god, the Dainese is so light. It was around like 23k, but this is 14,000. The reason I went with this one because this is a stitched sole. So down the road when I need to change the sole, I can easily get it replaced and someone can stitch it easily. And stitching is stronger than glue when you ride in the rain. So my goal is to ride in the mud, ride in the rain, ride in the dry, because my Dainese boots are already, I rode it once in the wet and then the glue is actually coming out. So yeah, let's unbox this again. So yeah, this is the Forma Evo Low boots. Actually great boots, guys. So I bought it from Motor Market, Philinvest, Motor Market in Philinvest. So I went with the lows because Philippines is a very hot country, and yeah, so yeah, that's the biggest reason. So I didn't want to the boot to go all the way up, and also they didn't have the highs. So when I asked them, they said they have the highs, but it's in a far location, so I didn't even bother. So I have photos from the previous boot where the stitching came off. It actually came off on both sides. So these stitchings came off, so this is where the ankle actually moves. So I don't know if this is actually a new boot that came out, but there are some people who has been using for a few months and they haven't had a problem. So mine had a problem in the first day I used it. So now, because these are brand new boots, I need to break them in again. They're actually beautiful boots, man. I really love the design. I really love the brown. So I tried to match. That's why in my trip you will see my gloves are brown too. So yeah. So unfortunately, my previous pair, both sides stitching came off in both my boots. So this is something that I will keep note on this one. I have photos from the previous boot. I will post it here, but they said if it breaks again, they will replace it again. So I don't want it to happen because it's annoying to always have new boots. So fingers crossed, these boots are the perfect boots. Okay, I forgot to give you my impressions on this. I love it. It's so comfortable to wear. They have great padding. They have great padding in here, and it goes all the way onto the toes as well. Fully padded, 100% waterproof boots. I went on a huge water puddle. My feet didn't get wet, so you have to make sure you seal it properly, because it has one of these vents you need to properly look. It's also not the normal, it's proper leather though. So it's something like a water resistant thingy, so the water doesn't drip, so your pants go up on top of the boots here. So yeah, I think I would give these 10 out of 10 boots. The weight, that's the only problem. It has a steel toe, so your bike runs on it, a vehicle runs on it, it will be safe. It's really hard. I think it got good side padding for your ankles as well. So yeah, I don't think it doesn't bend. It bends up here, but it doesn't bend up down there. So yeah, and this is why I was selling the stitch sole. So after 1 week of use in one trip, I loved it. I did a full 5-hour hike on these boots as well. So you will see the clips on my trip video. 5-hour damn hike, bro, on these boots to see a waterfall. Okay, so I think I'll end it here, and maybe I'll stitch it to the next video, and I'll combine, or I will just keep them separate so I can have their own title. So yeah, so these are, again, these are the, yeah, there you go, Forma Terra EVO Lows. Okay, see you in the next one, guys. Ciao, ciao.